You are not delusional for believing in a reality that no one else can see. You're also not crazy for feeling like something magical is coming, even if the physical hasn't caught up yet. And you are most importantly not losing your mind. You are remembering your power. So welcome in, family. I hope that y'all are all doing so amazing. And in today's video, I want to talk about just how tapped into the quantum field you are. So in a world that is addicted to logic and timelines, anyone who moves by intuition looks wild, right? And here's the truth. The quantum field responds to frequency, not proof. And as far as your belief goes, that is your frequency. So while they're waiting for evidence, you're already becoming it. The only difference between delusion and divine remembrance is regulation. So when you feel grounded and peaceful and aligned, what some would call delusion is actually your inner guidance speaking. So Neville Goddard called this living in the end, and quantum physics calls it collapsing the wave, and the ancients called it faith. But it is your body remembering it as truth. So now I want to bring up a few examples here, family, and not from a perspective of whether or not you subscribe to them, but truly just using them as examples of people who believed in their vision before anyone else could see it, and what pretty much everyone around them deemed unrealistic except for them. So we all know Oprah believed in her vision before anyone gave her a stage. And Nikola Tesla, he visualized technology decades before we could fathom it, right? And even Steve Jobs was told he was unrealistic until the world started carrying his delusion in their very pockets, right? So why would you dim your vision now? If your vision makes you feel lit up inside, that is not delusion, that is alignment. So if you've been seeing 1111, or you hear songs that echo your dreams and it gives you chills and goosebumps, that is alignment. That is your body and your energy resonating with that as truth. And you're not imagining things. And in fact, if you are familiar with Bashar at all, he actually talks about that, how goosebumps are a physical manifestation of you aligning with a particular energy as truth. So again, you're not imagining things. In fact, you are in tune, you are tapped in, you are early. So comment below, I trust my knowing, to go ahead and declare this for yourself. And I want you to remember that your future self is already living what you are choosing to believe today. And I want you to know deep inside your heart that you are not crazy, you are quantum. So keep going, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and just know that I love you so much. I am so grateful for you. I am so proud of you. I'm always pulling for you and rooting for you no matter what. And as always, I can't wait to see what you do.